The another most important set operation is deciding whether the two sets are disjoint or not. What is a disjoint set? A disjoint sets are those where there is no common element at all in both the sets. In other words, if there is no common element between multiple sets, those sets are called disjoint. If there is a common element, they are not disjoint. To decide whether they are disjoint or not, we use a function called isdisjoint. Isdisjoint returns true in the case of disjoint sets, otherwise false. Consider the following code. S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30. S2 is equal to, I'll take completely different, 10, 25, 35. I will decide S1 dot print of S1 dot is disjoint of S2. Run this code. It returns true. If I take any common element, some common element if I take it, 15 if I take it, run this, it returns false. Indicates they are not disjoint. True means disjoint, false means not disjoint. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe Naresh IT channel.